Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I included this product link in the description to find the most up-to-date pricing. Stay tuned and let's get into the video. hOmeLabs Compact Countertop Dishwasher. The home registered countertop best portable dishwasher is a mini-size unit with all stainless steel inside and white on the outside. The model HME010033N is perfect for a single person or small family and is Energy Star registered certified to save on your electric bill. Fill the soap dispenser and use the rinse aid dispenser for streak-free dry dishes. I happen to like Finish registered jet dry. The dishwasher will let you know when it's time to refill the dispenser with its indicator light. A little goes a long way and lasts many months. The countertop dishwasher is 17.2 inches tall by 19.6 inches deep by 21.6 inches left to right in front. It weighs 41.3 pounds and the hose is 64 inches long. It will run from 24 to 100 minutes depending on the cycle mode you use for washing your 10-inch dinner plates, pots, and pans. You won't need any tools. It has a quick connect assembly with accessories including inlet and drain hose and a faucet adapter for water lines that are compatible with round-shaped faucet outlets with removable aerators, and 55/64 inch 27 male or 15/16 inch 27 female threads underneath. Plug the all-registered listed 3-prong grounded cord into a North American 110-120 volt, 50/60 of a Hz outlet. It is 110 watts. It is not 220 volts. I have included this product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video, and don't forget to hit the like button.